It doesn't taste good? What?
This is dog food.
Yeah.
You're eating biscuits. Eee, all three of you. Alright guys, good morning. Good morning, Mattel. It's 7 in the afternoon.
Good morning.
So we're currently stalking
my little sister because I believe she has a boyfriend.
and she's right there.
Bicycle.
Say hi, Bree.
Say hi, Bree.
Hi. Hi.
Guys, little does she know.
Hi. Bye.
Bye. So guys, we had to stop because this lady came and she has like elote, raspados, churros. If you're Mexican or Hispanic, you know what I'm talking about. It's thebomb.com. We have to. So Luis is currently taking a picture of his elote.
Yeah, alright, so I got an elote en vaso. So this is corn.
Why are you talking like that?
For my American audience. So this is corn with cheese, mayo, a little bit of that spicy
chili powder,
and lime juice, and what kind of cheese is this place? Parmesan cheese, of course. You have to go with the Parmesan cheese.
You're so excited.
Guys, I've been craving for this since like a month ago.
It's so good.
It's
Wait,
so
what's
messy though.
This is a mayo?
Yeah, it just turned red because of the chili powder.
So first taste. Hey, you're supposed to mix
I
it.
can't. Look, there's too much.
No, you have to. You can't just eat it like that.
No. She put half. She filled it up halfway, and then she put more mayo and cheese in here,
Really?
and then put the rest. Holy shit!
No, don't eat that. You're eating all the cheese. Are you serious? You're supposed to mix it. That's not
Look at
cool.
it. I can't mix it.
That's not fair for me.
Is anyone else like lactose intolerant and still eats cheese anyways and faces the consequences and suffers from dairy? How do I empty the liquid? I don't even want to empty it. Even the liquid is good.
It's so good.
That's really close. So babe, what's your reaction?
This is so good. Does it have cilantro in it?
Yeah, it does. Interesting, huh? It adds more flavor. I didn't even get their name.
So this is
guys,
actually
there's like
the
a car
first time
behind
we
me.
get this from that person.
From that lady. She's new to this neighborhood. Delilah, we're talking. She wants to be part of the vlog, but I'm driving. So yeah, she's new to this neighborhood. She comes every Tuesdays. She's gonna come every Tuesdays.
Oh, you asked?
Yeah, I had to. But yeah, shout out to you, ma'am, señora. Gracias por el elote. Really delicious, really good, really good. I don't know if you guys can see her. Oh, Delilah said dada. Oh, they both said dada. Alright,
No,
so
Elena said Papa.
we switched our mind from going.
Oh, it's gonna rain.
It was raining earlier, babe.
Oh, well, I'm home all day, so.
Alright, so we changed our mind from Panera to Chipotle or Smash. What are you gonna get, babe? This way, sit straight. Nope. 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 Stop. Freeze. Why does she want to get out?
Kiss. Oh my goodness. Kiss. Hi. Say hi. Say hi.
Babe, what's happening? What's happening, babe?
Let me go. Okay, come on, babe. You have to let me go. Okay?
Guys,
Struggle is real. It's okay. It's okay. I know. We're going home.
and then there's Alana just chilling. Hi, Alana.
Let's fix you.
Are you okay, babe?
It's hard, my back hurts.
Alana, are you okay? The struggle's real.
Hey guys, so we stopped by Sephora after we ate Chipotle. And I bought, oh gosh. What the hell? I thought this box was empty and it didn't have anything, but it did. So I bought myself a Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz and the color Ebony? I don't know, whatever. And yeah, cause mine broke the other day, so I need a new one. Guys, so I noticed the entire time I was talking to you guys, the radio was on, so I don't know if you guys heard me or not, but it's okay, whatever.
Hey, what up guys, welcome back to
our channel.
So currently we are on our way to get a photo shoot.
Get a photo shoot?
To a photo shoot.
For the girl's first birthday. I know it was last Saturday, but
our schedule is a little bit complicated, so yeah, we're headed down there right now, and we'll see if she lets us vlog it. We'll see if she lets us vlog it, and yeah, we'll catch you guys over there. Alright guys, so unfortunately we couldn't really record the photo shoot because there's twins, and that was the hardest thing I've done in a very long time.
Guys, I'm sweating, he's sweating. Look at his shirt.
I'm full of cake. We did a cake smash session, and it looks like I did the cake smash session. So yeah, we couldn't record. There was like no way. Maybe if we set up the tripod, but we're still not there yet. So yeah, we'll see when do we get the pictures. We forgot to ask her.
She's gonna actually send them to us. Okay guys, so we actually came up with a really good idea. Well, I did. So I decided that this is a really good time to prank my siblings with fake, well not fake, dog treats. Dog treats.
No, so we're gonna buy dog cookies. So there's, when we had our puppy, we would buy him little cookies from Petco.
Yeah.
And they look so realistic. Like when I first went in, I asked the person if they were actually like human treats, and they laughed and they said no.
Because they look so good and they smell like frosting.
It smells like a real human cookie. So what we thought, go ahead and explain.
So we thought it would be a really good idea to prank my siblings, my little brother and sister, and give them these cookies today and just prank them and see.
Yeah, we'll see what the reaction is, and we'll also buy them real cookies, of course.
Yeah, because it's really mean.
We're not gonna be mean.
And then we also have this
this cake from the cake smash.
From the cake smash session, and so they can just eat some cake, and it's really good too.
Is it good?
The girls didn't like it at all, but
it's because it's vegan. So vegan cakes taste kind of
they taste
healthy.
different.
They taste healthy, so.
And knowing my little brother, he's just gonna eat the whole thing and just gobble it up because he loves treats and sugar. So
treats. He loves snacks.
But he's gonna eat it. But he's gonna eat a treat.
Oh god, it's gonna be so hilarious. The reactions are gonna be priceless. So we're heading down to Petco. I was gonna say Costco.
We're just so used to going to Costco.
Yeah.
Okay guys, so we'll see you guys there.
Guys, all the delicious cookies are gone. They only have these. And they have these. We can do a prank with this too. Oh no. Alright. Got the cookies. They look pretty good. Pretty decent. They don't have any more. They used to have a bigger variety of cookies. But I guess they stopped selling them. Right.
Ooh, this looks so nice. It looks so real. My baby, Delilah. Delilah.
This. Did you see that?
See.
Did you see that?
What?
Let's see.
Este gordo le pintó a una persona aquí.
Delilah. Hello. Okay, guys. There's my sister.
Yeah, you're ready. Beep.
No, wait for us over there. Because I'm gonna bring the cake. It's a surprise for you guys.
Oh, and I also have already a dress for the doctor.
So guys, we bought these for my siblings because I'm so grateful to have them.
Okay, ready?
Take a bite. Is it good? ¿Está dura?
What's wrong with it?
It's hard.
It's hard?
They're fresh though.
Take a bite.
Take a bite.
Is it good? Yes. Es que estas están más duras. You can't bite it? What?
I'm gonna break my teeth with this.
Really?
I'm just gonna lick it.
Does,
Is this prank or something?
no, they're not. We felt good and thankful for you guys.
How do you feel? I'm gonna put it in my bed.
It doesn't taste good? What?
Is this dog food?
Yeah.
You're eating biscuits. Eee, all three of you.
Gina, you're eating a biscuit from a dog. That's a dog treat.
We went to Petco. So how does it feel to eat dog food?
Is it good?
No, stop eating this. Stop eating
Stop
this.
eating it. Ew.
Breathe. What do you feel?
Do you feel like a dog?
Ruff, ruff. Do you want to bark for me?
Thank you. Well, this was a weird thing.
What happened, bro?
Petito's mad.
Bro.
He's leaving.
Bro.
He's mad.
Bro.
Petito, I'm sorry. I still love you. You want cake?
The cake is dog food too. He's gone. Oh, you can see him perfectly through the camera. Look.
Mine was good. Yeah?
I think hers was actually a cookie.
Hers was good.
How about you?
No, I'm not eating one.
No? Okay. Well,
That's why they were so hard, because dogs have very strong teeth.
Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching the video. It's probably a short episode, so...
It is short. We just wanted to show you guys the behind the scenes of the photo shoots of the girls.
Well, we didn't even show them behind the scenes.
Oh, no, we didn't.
No, we couldn't record. We just wanted to show you our daily life. And how does it feel to eat dog treats?
I hate it. Thank you. I love you, Cyndi. And Luis.
It was Cindy's idea.
You're the.
It was my idea. I think it was pretty mean.
You're
but funny.
my best friend ever, Luis.
Oh, thank you. Best friend goes.
She's joking, you know, right?
Whoa! Hold it. Hug. Whoa, we went upside down. There we go. Alright. Yeah.
Okay, guys, so we will be sharing the photos of the photo shoot of the girls on our social media, so go follow my Instagram and his as well.
Our social media links are down below and on the screen. And yeah, we'll catch you guys next time. Peace.
Bye.
Alright, here we go. Here we go. Ready? Oh my god.
Can't see yet.
Look at these.